yourself a red lip. Also, you know, plaid doesn't hurt. Leopard doesn't hurt. Leopard always helps. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. I am Flannery, if you're new. And if you're not new, then you probably know that I am hashtag Team Summer Forever. But this year, I am gonna try to do something different, and I am gonna try to embrace winter this year. Usually every year, what do? As soon as it starts getting cold, I start freaking out and basically just like holding on like, is it almost over? Is it summer yet? And I mean, that's kind of sad. It's like not a good way to be. It's not a good way to live. Because here's the reality, like winter's here. It's gonna be here for a few months, so why not try to embrace it, try to enjoy it? So that is my plan for this winter. So I thought I would give you guys a few tips and tell you a couple of the things that I've done to try and embrace winter. I just kind of started this whole process, but I've been doing some fun things and I thought they'd be helpful if you happen to be in my same situation and you're not a huge winter fan. Okay, anything else I want to say while we're up here? Oh my God, I almost forgot my new Sparkle Bum collection, which is, well, I wanted to call it All Star Eyes on Me, like, you know, shout out to Tupac. But I'm like, I don't know if everyone's gonna get that. So I changed it to Starstruck. So this is the Starstruck collection. So basically these big stars and then the little stars. And then there's even a star ring. Yeah, so that's exciting. I made a bunch of custom initial necklaces and rings. Those are actually, if you ordered from me, those are shipping out next week. So that is also very exciting. And of course, I gotta do outfit of the day. Okay guys, I am wearing a J.Crew plaid button-down shirt. My Generation Love leopard jacket, double-breasted, my Gucci belt, which people love to hate on, and the coolest pants. I think they are super cute and super comfy. So, and then, oh yeah, my booties, my gold booties that I got, Sam Edelman. Those are in a gold shoe video, which I will link below. Okay, so what I want to say about winter, besides I hate it, just kidding, I'm not hating it anymore, I'm embracing it. Okay, first thing and easiest thing is get yourself a pair of red lips. And you know, I love lipstick, but I realized I had no red. And red is like obviously a quintessential winter / holiday color. So I went to Sephora yesterday and I got myself 2 lip things. So first I got this red lip pencil. It's just the Sephora brand and it's number 12, it's called The Red. So I put that on first, and then I topped it off with this Bobbi Brown crushed liquid lip, which I love. I just tried it on, just put it on a few minutes ago for the first time. But it is so good, and the color's called Big Apple. So yeah, it is. So it's such a good, it's like a perfect red. Yes, I'm loving it. Okay, so that was easy, right? Number 1, get yourself some red lipstick. The rest of my tips are home decor tips. So why don't you come with me and I will take you, we'll go downstairs and I will show you tip number 2. Before we head downstairs, I have to tell you, actually this is gonna be my second tip because this has been game-changing. I bought myself a set of flannel sheets. They are so soft and so warm, and I highly recommend that you get yourself a pair. So these I got on landsend.com, and I will check because I don't remember how much they were. I think they were like 120, something like that. It feels so good getting into the bed with these sheets on at night. So that's tip number 2. Get yourself some flannel sheets. Okay, this is how I get into bed every night, knowing I got flannel sheets. Okay, now we're ready to go downstairs, and I can talk about tip number 3, which is to switch up your pillows. So when we get downstairs, you'll see the pillows I have. They're like a fun, bright cotton, and I'm gonna switch those out into a more wintry, luxurious velvet emerald green color. So let's go downstairs. Okay, so these are the pillows that I've had in this room for a while, and I thought maybe, and I love the color, and I think they look really good in this room, but they are, you know, a bright summery color, so I thought it would be fun to switch them up. So here they are. They are so pretty, and they were not expensive, and I will find out exactly how much they were. Basically, I just took the cover, and I didn't have to worry about taking this one off because they fit right in. Okay, so, you know, I was looking at the pillows, and I was like, they look good, but they could really use like gold, like a pop of gold. And then I realized I have gold sequin pillows in the kitchen. So guess what I did? So I added the gold sequin just for a little bit of extra shine and sparkle. Okay, so I wanted to show you, even in the guest room, I went in and added some fun winter pillows. Okay, my next tip is not gonna be mind-blowing, but it is something that does add a lot to create a cozier, more inviting space during the cold winter months, and that is candles. Now I know everyone knows about candles, especially candles in winter, duh. So I went to Target yesterday and bought a ton of unscented candles, and I kind of love how it looks. Oh, I bought one of these too, which makes lighting the candles much easier. Because we're not doing fire this year in the fireplace, you know, California's like been on fire, so we don't need to add more smoke to the air. It creates a cozy, wintry, fun vibe without having to light the fireplace. So, I love it. Candles, who knew? Okay guys, so my last tip for you is all about flowers and plants and bringing some of that outside fall and winter into the house that way. So usually people think, oh, okay, spring, summer, those are the seasons with good flowers. But if you go outside, look around in your backyard, sometimes you can find like tree branches, which are really beautiful and sculptural. That can add a really interesting element. Also too, I mean, for example, this guy was out there blooming. This is mid-November. So sometimes I I don't know, things just bloom for random reasons. Also, we have citrus trees, so I like to go out and I'll collect like a big bowl of lemons, and that makes for a really pretty display. Or we have oranges, we have limes, we're in California, so there's probably more options than other places, but you just have to get creative. So that is my last tip, is get creative by bringing the outside inside. So yeah, I'd love to see what you guys do. You don't always have to just go to a florist or a grocery store to get flowers. You can get creative. That's what my mama taught me. You don't have something? Get creative. You don't have anything to wear? Get creative. You don't have anything to do? Get creative. Hey, it was good advice. Look at me. I turned out pretty creative. So that's my advice to you. Get creative. Okay guys, thank you so much as always for joining me. I hope you had a blast, or at least learned something, or at least don't hate winter as much as you did before, or at least maybe got some tips or something. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up, or I guess a thumbs down if you don't like it. And subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I will be back next week. In fact, I can't wait for next week's video because I ordered a ton of amazing holiday clothes. So I can't wait to show you guys that. Okay, I'll see you next time. And in the meantime, get busy embracing winter. Bye.